Alright guys, so I got both starter decks for Lorcana 2nd edition Rise of the Floodborn. Got one Amethyst and Steel, one Amber and Sapphire. Let's see what we got here. So these are the first starter decks. Alright, so we got our card deck, one booster, some rules, and some materials for the game. Right off the rip here, this got a Merlin Hollow Rare. Not bad, not bad. Open up these. Got Tiana, super rare. Okay. I like that kind of confetti look on the foil. Chip. Dr. F. Hi. I honestly don't even know where Hi is from. Or this guy, Cusco. Madam Mim. Another one. Another Merlin. Quite a few Merlins. Some Freeze. Winnie Stuck. Some Beast. Number 171. Benja. Cinderella. 176. Got Kronk, rare. Okay. Lilo. Le Prince. Got a Huntsman, rare. Prince, Tiana. Alright, that's it for deck 1. A few nice cards there. Let's check out this booster. Boost me up, baby. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see. Go the distance. Radigan. Basel. Snow White. Winnie. Really like that graphic. Jafar. Nana. Pinocchio on the purple again. Mother Gothel. Madam Mim. Oh, this is a cool card. I like that background. This is a rare, like this one. Prince Charming, rare. Number 157. And Tiana again. Got an uncommon foil. Very nice, very nice. Alright, starter deck number 2, Amber and Sapphire. Pretty happy with the pulls from that first deck. Got some really pretty colors in there. Nice images. Alright. Game stuff. Booster. Got our deck here. Ayo. Right off the rip. Looks like we got a Queen. Super rare. Foil. Couldn't tell if that was foil, but it is foil. Let's see. Pretty sweet card. Okay, Queen. Gaston. I feel like I have a few of these at this point. Bashful. Christopher Robin, rare. Some more Gaston. Grand Duke. Got a bunch of Grand Dukes. Grumpy. We can all relate. Happy. Hopefully we can all relate. Le Fou. Sleepy. I know we can all relate. Sneezy. Very allergic. Snow White. The Queen. Painting Red Roses. Belle. Cruella looking fine. Hiram. Judy Hopps. 152. I like that card. The Owl. Looking grand. 156. Winnie. Whoa there. 4 dozen eggs. I like this launch card. Fang crossbow. Gumbo pot. Gumbo, baby. A gift this special just got to be shared. I love these quotes on these cards. And a popsicle. Card number 169. Alright. That's it for the deck. Let's check out this booster. Improvise. Piglet number 18. Winnie. Minnie. Beast. Some more eggs. Snow White number 24. Blue Fairy. Cobra Bubbles. Let me get this straight. Your magic spell book got washed away in a flood of magic ink. Rare. The Grand Pobby. Okay. Super rare. And we got the Gumbo pot. Foil. Alright, cool. Gumbo it is. I don't have my sleeves on me. Where are my sleeves? Sleeves, please. Here we go. I'm running low. Need more sleeves. Definitely need more sleeves. Alright. Let's sleeve some of these up. Grand Pobby, super rare. What else do we have in here? Got a little mini pile. I got the Tiana foil, super rare. Maybe my favorite card of this pull. Got a Queen, super rare, foil. Also a good card. Number 26. I do like this one too. I love this green Tiana foil. Nice sky in the background. Just a mere uncommon card. My man Cobra, the boss. Yeah, this is my favorite Madam Mim card. This is a real great card. I like this one. Awesome colors. Alright, one more sleeve. I need to get more sleeves. Who are we sticking with? Merlin. The rare Merlin foil. Number 53. Alright. I think that's it, folks. Peace.